Hi there, first grade families. I just wanted to make you a new, hopefully more thorough tutorial video as far as how to access all the different cool stuff we can access through that Clever badge, that little QR code that I sent you via email. I think it was last Monday. So if you've lost your QR code, just let me know and I can send you a new one. To start, you're just going to want to go to the Beaverton School District website. Website address is right there. You're going to click on Students and then Apps for Students. From here, you're going to be tempted to want to go straight to SeeSaw. Don't do that. Go right here to the Clever dashboard, that's C. Then you're going to select Clever again, and you're going to hold up your badge. I'm using Rami's. I hope you don't mind, Rami. From here, now you've got some links that you can do. So you're kind of automatically logged in, and then you can choose where to go from there. So let's take a look at SeeSaw first. It will open, it will open. Here we go. So from SeeSaw, the thing I want to show you, kind of the most important thing, is this Activities tab. It's going to open automatically to the journal. That's where I've been posting videos, and where before all this happened, I was posting videos and pictures from the classroom. But I want to show you this Activities tab. This is where I am posting assignments for your student. So from here, here's a good example. We'll take a look at this subtraction word problem. You can see the directions are in writing here. There's audio directions. You can click and listen to the directions there. When they're ready to start the assignment, they just click on Add Response. And now it brings up the task. So this is a story problem. So they're going to read this story, and then they're going to draw a picture to match the story, and then write an equation down below that goes with it. The thing that kids like about anything where they get to use the draw feature here is that there's kind of different pencils and markers, and they get to pick whatever color they want to use. And so they're going to draw 8 cupcakes. This is way easier on an iPad than it is on a laptop, but it can be done either way. And once they've got their picture and their equation, they're going to go up to this green check. Usually you'll have to click it and then you click it again, but it'll take you back to that journal when it's been posted, so that's kind of how you know it worked. So I'm going to undo my work, and this is the little whoops machine right here. So if you make a mistake, you just kind of can go back. And I'm going to exit out, so I don't want to do Rami's work for her there. But you can see there's a variety of tasks that I already have posted. So going back to Clever, there's also a link here for Dreambox. So once you're logged in, it'll take you right to your child's Dreambox page, picking up right where they left off.
Have fun on your learning adventures.
Yep. And also, it can take you to Bookshelf. Bookshelf is literally a whole bunch of digital books. The perk of Bookshelf, what's nice about it, and your child should know if you don't, and if not, just message me and I'll help you out, is that these are all leveled the same way we level our books in our classroom. So we've got yellow, 1G, 2G, 1B, 2B, 1R, 2R, and there are books at each level and some skill pages. Don't know why. Oh, here, maybe let's see what happens if I go down this way. Ah, that one's better. Go down there. Those are more resources up there. So click down here, the little ribbons. That's where all the good books are. But that will show you a nice variety, and you can open it up and click through it just like a book. On an iPad, you can literally swipe the pages. And so it's a little bit more user-friendly that way. So hopefully this little video tutorial helps, kind of shows you how to use your Clever Patch to access SeeSaw, Dreambox, and Bookshelf all in one go. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Thanks.